Good morning, everybody. I just get stuff from Lazada and I order my gimbal and something else for my Samsung watch, but I think first I open this. This interesting. I think this is a tool for remove the wristband. What? Okay. I don't know why they give this. Oh, free stuff. That's always nice to get something free. Wow. They have style in Thailand. Very nice. And very cheap. About 700 baht for two. And here is the black one. Very good, very good. And what I was waiting mostly is this. Wow. They really make good package in here. They don't want the stuff go broken. Ah. I want to keep this. Not wanna broke because maybe I need somewhere else. I didn't even know they make like this. Oh. Oh. Well, this is it. I hope it's good because it's quite a cheap. I don't know. Okay. all plastic. I don't know. Feel like cheap. But maybe can do what I need to do, because I don't have money to buy a 10,000 or 15,000 gimbal. These feel good, strong. Yeah, but I don't like this plastic. Well, here was my unboxing. Yeah, maybe I give a little bit charge and then I make a test drive for this. I hope this make better my videos. Or not, I don't know. Thanks for watching.